Okay, welcome back. I would like to answer the question of Junie regarding the rest of the information here in the table. Okay, so the example that we had previously is the 500,000. In here, it says 400,000 to 800,000. They need to pay 30,000 plus the 25% of excess over 400,000. I want to use Excel. Please let me know if you can see it. Wait, ha. Kita ninyo Excel? Wala.
Wala, ma'am.
Okay, I have to stop share and share again. Okay. Kita ninyo Excel? Did you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, for example, if you are earning, so the income is 500,000. So this is what we're going to do. It says there that 400,000. So atong ibutang kanisha is included in the 400,000. That's 4 million already. 400,000 to 800,000. Was that 800,000? 800 to no? I think that was part of 800,000. Let me check.
Yes, ma'am. Sakto.
Yes, it's correct. Going back here. So if it's part of the 400,000 to 800,000, it says there that you have a 300,000 plus 25% of excess of 400,000. So what are we going to do? From the 500,000, you will deduct. So 500,000 income, you will deduct the 400,000. So deduct it with okay, you deduct it with 400,000. And then wait. Okay. You will notice that the deduction is you will get a 400,000. So we'll put here tax due. How much will be the tax due? For the 400,000, the first 400,000, the tax due will be 30,000. And the 100,000, the tax due will be, what's going to be the tax due? It's going to be, oh, sorry. 100,000. And then you have to get the times. Naglibog ko sa ako ang keypad. Okay, mali. I don't know where to get. Mali. No. Asa mga asterisk? Eh, cannot find. Mali man ang keypad. Nita jud ko sa kuan na stiris kay mali ako ang kipa diri. Percent na natin. 20%. Sorry ha, kay nagmali man gud ning akong kipa diri oy. Where's the asterisk? Di jud mao, di jud. No. I cannot find the asterisk, I don't know. But the 25% of 100, you get only the 25%. So the 25% of 100 is also 25,000. Okay. So the total tax due will be this one. Okay, the total that's going to be 55,000. So, mali na po. Oh, na. Ay, salamat. Okay, so it will be, tax due will be 25,000. So this is going to be the tax due, meaning this is what you're going to pay to the government. That's the 25,000. Okay, so that will be your amount that you're going to pay. Any question? Kasabot mo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will stop sharing and I'm going to share again the other one. Share. Okay, so you share. Did you see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so mix. The person has an income in both compensation from an employer and also an income from her business. So mona ni siya. We will not look at the previous one anymore. Let's just go to the second one, katong recent na. You have a choice. Na siya choice. You get the gross receipts, total receipts niya, and then this will be deductions, optional standard deductions of 40%. The 40% of 500,000 is 200,000. So you get a net receipt of 300,000. And then after that, the taxable income will be 300,000. Income tax will be 10,000. Percentage tax of 15,000. So you will be asked to give two kinds of tax. Okay, 10% of there will be the 300,000 of income tax, which is the under the asa man gikuha ang 10,000 gikan sa dire. Okay? 300,000 man to. So ang 300,000 giminusan og 250,000, the excess is 50,000 times 20%, so you get 10,000. So mo na ni siyang 10,000 na ang nakaswat dira. Then you need a percentage tax. Lahi sad ang percentage tax. So that percentage tax of 15,000. I think given na siya ang naay percentage tax jud. I think it's not here. But it is 15,000 that you need to pay for the percentage tax. So I think it will be 25% siguro ang makuha niya ana for the percentage. For dili siya 25%. It's because it's 30,000, so pila na siya ka 300,000, pila ang 15,000 if you're going to divide it. Kasi na calculator diha. I divide 300,000 divided by 15,000 or 300 divided by 15. What's the answer?
20, ma'am.
20. So that will be 20%. Okay, so 20% percentage tax. Okay. But then you have a choice. Napod kay lahi nga choice. If you are a mixed earner, you can go for this 8% directly. So kung naka 8% direct ra, isa lang ang hatagan sa imuha og tax. You will only get income tax. So in your percentage, kanira siya 8%. So you have 500,000. And then after the 500,000 will be deducted with 250,000. Whatever is left is a taxable income. Minusan ni siya direksyo ang 500,000 to the 250,000 nga allowable deduction. Then you have 250,000 left. And from there, you will get 8% of it. And that is 20,000. So muna ni siyang 8%. So duha ang imuhang choices. You can do one from this. Right? And so let us go to our let it stay part. In this part, you just have to complete the table. Those who are pick up, use your notebook to put the information here. You don't need to show the solution. Dili na kinanay show a solution. But make sure to remember the deductions ha, na ay mga deductions diri. Nganong daghan kani mga deductions? That's because 10,500 is a deduction for the 160. It says respectively. So ang kaning 10,500 sa taxpayer A na ha, 15,000 is for taxpayer B. 18,500 is for taxpayer C. And the 83,250 is for the taxpayer D. You understand? That's the deduction. And then you have to compute for the tax due and put it in the table. Okay, next.
Ma'am, kung walay tax due, ma'am.
You put 0 for
Okay.
exam. Okay.
Kanang A.
If it is below 250,000, then you put 0. Nothing. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am,
this
thank
will
you.
be another problem solving to get the income tax. So Jacqueline Cruz, you have a compensation. This one, you just have to read it. Okay, so basahon na nimo. Og kanisad siya, I already have given you na ay mga I want you to follow kaning number 2. The reason why I'm putting this, because I want you to follow. I-follow ni siya nga order, get for the taxable income, and after that, you get your tax due. Okay? Kani siya na, sayo na lang kayo ni siya, kay naa na diri ong, gisuwat na diri tanan. You just have to put the taxable income. And then the tax due. Okay? That's all. Any more questions?
Ma'am, sa katong
Yes.
sa to? Sa activity 1 ma'am ba katong
Let it stay.
ang kining 10,000 ma'am kay idiretso na siya sa taxpayer A niya. Di na siya minusan sa 15,000 o 18,500.
As what I have said, respectively ni siya. So it means that each taxpayer has different deductions. You cannot have all of them as a deduction to every taxpayer. Taxpayer A gets to have one deduction only, and that's 10,500. Ang kaning 15,000 will be for the next taxpayer. So good na ang Zoom. For a while ha, kadali lang. Any more questions?
None, ma'am.
Sa uban. Sa uban.
Wala na, ma'am.
Wala na. Okay, so if wala na, then I have to stop sharing and I also have to stop the recording na.